guys, welcome to Nasike's Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how to prepare peanut masala. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do. We'll really appreciate. Remember to like, comment, share, and also watch my videos, and I'll really appreciate. These are the ingredients that I'm going to use: coriander or dania, peanut, tomato, and onion. Let's get to the next step. I'm going to dice my onion. So after dicing my onion, I'm going to dice my tomato. So after dicing my onions and tomatoes, I'm going to cut my coriander. Here there. I'm now going to move to the next step. In this next step, I've added some oil in my cooking pot. Then I'm going to add my peanuts. Remove them and set. So guys, I've put here my peanuts so that they can drip some oil. After that, I'm going to add them in this bowl. Then I'm going to add my tomatoes, my onions, my tomatoes, and also my coriander or dania in it. Then I'm going to mix everything together. Let me know if you've ever tried. So you mix everything together. After mixing, I'm going to add some lemon juice, a 1/4 tablespoon. And then since we did not put some salt, I'm going to add some salt, just a pinch. Then I mix everything together. If you have pepper, any powder pepper you can add. For me, I'm going to add some black pepper, just a pinch. Though it's optional, you don't have to add pepper. If you don't use pepper, it's fine, it's okay. And I wanted to tell you guys that when you're cooking your peanuts, ensure that you use medium to low heat so that your peanuts don't get burnt. To put them here. It really looks so amazing. You should try out this recipe, guys, and let me know how it turned out. Remember to hit the subscribe button, comment, share. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.